Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Dozuki is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools a woodworker can have in their arsenal, offering unparalleled precision for creating those iconic interlocking joints that define fine furniture and cabinetry. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman looking to elevate your joinery or a beginner eager to tackle more complex projects, understanding the nuances of a high-quality Dozuki saw can make the difference between a frustrating experience and woodworking mastery. This Japanese pull saw, with its thin kerf and razor-sharp teeth, is specifically designed for accuracy, allowing for clean, crisp cuts that minimize the need for extensive cleanup and ensure a perfect fit every time, making it a cornerstone for any serious woodworking endeavor. Number 5. SUIZAN Dozuki Dovetail Saw 6 Crosscut. Tired of traditional push saws? Experience the difference with this Japanese pull saw. It's lighter, requires less effort, and delivers a cleaner cut. Made from top-quality Japanese steel, this saw ensures incredibly sharp and precise cuts every time. You'll feel the difference in its performance. This tool is proudly manufactured in Japan by master craftsmen. It comes from a town with over 100 years of toolmaking tradition. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, this traditional Japanese saw offers a new experience. Expand your creativity and diversify your woodworking projects. Designed for crosscuts, it features a 6-inch blade with a thickness of just 0.3 mm. Enjoy a clean kerf width of 0.5 mm for detailed work. Discover the joy of woodworking with a tool that combines tradition and innovation. It's designed to enhance your skills and bring your ideas to life. What we like. This saw offers a compact 6-inch blade, perfect for detailed work. Its Japanese pull-stroke design ensures a cleaner cut with less effort. If you're looking for precision in tight spaces or for smaller projects, this is the tool for you. What people say. The Dozuki is a precision saw that allows for extremely accurate cuts. Its unique design enables it to make cuts in tight spaces where other saws cannot reach. The blade is very thin and sharp, making for clean and precise cuts without splintering. Number 4. SUIZAN Dozuki Dovetail Saw 9.5 Crosscut. Discover the art of Japanese woodworking with this traditional pull saw. Unlike European push saws, it cuts cleanly and efficiently with a simple pull motion. This saw is designed for ease of use. It requires less power than a push saw, delivering a remarkably clean edge every time. Made with top-quality Japanese steel, this tool ensures razor-sharp cuts. Experience the precision that comes from superior materials. Each saw is meticulously crafted in Japan by master artisans. It's a product of a town with over 100 years of woodworking tradition. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, this traditional saw offers a new experience. Expand your creative possibilities and transform your woodworking projects. This crosscut saw features a 9.5-inch blade with a fine TPI of 25 for detailed work. Its thin kerf ensures minimal material loss. What we like. With a longer 9.5-inch blade, this saw is designed for more substantial cuts. The high-quality Japanese steel guarantees durability and a consistently sharp edge. If you need to tackle larger crosscuts with ease and a superior finish, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Dozuki is a very useful tool for anyone who needs to make precise cuts in woodworking. It allows for accurate depth control, which is essential for creating clean and professional-looking joints. The blade is sharp and durable, ensuring a smooth cutting experience. I was impressed with the build quality of the Dozuki. The handle is comfortable to grip, and the overall construction feels solid and reliable. It's a well-made tool that is built to last, making it a worthwhile investment for serious woodworkers. Number 3. SUIZAN Folding Dozuki Dovetail Saw. Discover the difference of a Japanese pull saw. Unlike traditional push saws, this tool cuts on the pull stroke, requiring less effort for a cleaner finish. Made from top-quality Japanese steel, it delivers incredibly sharp and precise cuts every time. Experience the superior edge it provides for your projects. Each saw is meticulously crafted in Japan by master artisans. It's a testament to over 100 years of Japanese woodworking tradition. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, this traditional saw offers a new way to create. Expand your woodworking capabilities and enjoy a fresh experience. This folding saw is perfect for crosscuts, offering a 9.5-inch blade length. Its compact folding size makes it convenient to store and transport. Enjoy the lightweight design that requires less power to operate. Achieve professional results with greater ease and efficiency. What we like. This model features a convenient folding design, making it incredibly portable. The 9.5-inch blade still provides excellent cutting performance for crosscuts. If you value portability and need a reliable saw for on-the-go projects or limited storage space, this folding option is ideal. What people say. The Dozuki is a great tool for precise cuts. It has a very sharp blade that makes clean cuts. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. Number 2. Gyokucho 770-3500 Razor Dozuki Saw. Experience the modern evolution of a traditional Japanese pull-stroke saw. This tool offers unparalleled accuracy for a variety of intricate cuts. Its 180mm blade features a stiffened back, providing you with enhanced control. This design ensures clean and precise results every time. The blade is an incredibly thin 0.3 mm, resulting in a fine kerf. This means less material is removed, leading to more efficient and accurate work. Perfectly suited for cutting a wide range of joints. Achieve professional level accuracy with this versatile saw. Proudly made in Japan, this saw embodies the quality and craftsmanship expected from Japanese tools. Invest in a tool built to last. What we like. The stiffened back on this 180mm blade offers enhanced control and stability during cuts. Its fine kerf ensures minimal material waste. If you prioritize accuracy and a clean, precise cut, especially for joinery, this saw is a fantastic option. What people say. The Dozuki is a fantastic saw for making precise cuts in woodworking projects. Its thin kerf blade and adjustable fence allow for extremely accurate joinery. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to control during use. Number 1. Z-Saw Dozuki Japanese Handsaw. Introducing the Z-Saw Dozuki, a Japanese handsaw designed for precision woodworking. It excels in the detailed processing of hardwood, making it ideal for fine craftsmanship. This saw features a 240mm, 9.4-inch, blade, engineered for accuracy. Its thin saw plate, only 0.3mm thick, ensures a clean and precise cut every time. Experience a remarkably narrow cutting width of just 0.43mm. This fine kerf minimizes material waste and leaves a smooth finish on your hardwood projects. With a tooth pitch of 1.2mm, this handsaw provides efficient and controlled cutting. It's perfectly suited for the demands of intricate woodworking tasks. Achieve professional results with this specialized tool. It's the perfect companion for any woodworker who values precision and quality in their work. What we like. This 240mm saw is specifically designed for precision work on hardwoods. Its thin blade and narrow kerf minimize material removal, crucial for tight-fitting joints. If you're a woodworker focusing on hardwood projects that demand high accuracy and a clean finish, this saw is a great fit. What people say. The Dozuki is a saw that has a very thin kerf, which means it removes less material when you cut. This is important for precision woodworking, as it allows for more accurate cuts and less waste. The Dozuki features a unique blade tensioning system that allows you to adjust the blade tension on the fly. This is a great feature for woodworkers who need to make a variety of cuts, as it allows you to quickly and easily adjust the blade tension to suit your needs. The Dozuki's handle is ergonomically designed for comfort and control. This is important for woodworkers who spend long hours at the bench, as it allows you to work for longer periods without fatigue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.